Let's learn how to crochet a axolotl donut with me today. It's a no-sews amigurumi pattern free on my blog. You can find on amigurumi.com that help you to crochet a very adorable amigurumi axolotl donut. I appreciate if you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to get updated if you like my videos. It's a no-sews amigurumi pattern for the axolotl donut. That's perfect for beginners to start with because it's quite easy to follow with the step-by-step crochet instruction on my blog. Or if you want, you can find the premium PDF pattern with step-by-step photo tutorial as well in all my shop. So this is the perfect gift for uh, the Mexican walking feast amigurumi lover. Uh, I'm also one big fan of axolotl, so I really love it. Uh, you can find another famous axolotl pattern in my YouTube channels as well as in my website as well. You can find the Kawaii axolotl amigurumi pattern. Let's make it and then have fun with the cute walking fish amigurumi crochet toys. It also can use as a keychain or the bag charm. That's perfect gift for axolotl lover.